Proceed, Senator Sifuna.
Honorable Speaker, why is the majority leader heckling? Because you have given me the mic. I think you should allow me to say what I wanted to say. I promise to be... Honorable Speaker, fortunately for the majority leader, I was directed by my party leader to be nicer. And I'm going to try my best. So I am not going to respond to his heckling today because I have been put on a regime where waliniambia nitoe pilipili moja. It's okay, Honorable Speaker. In the morning, I was called by the MCA Fongara, the Honorable Chege Maura, and he wanted my assistance with these people there who are being evicted in this rain by the Nairobi County government alleging rent arrears. I told the MCA, and unfortunately or fortunately, he had put me on speaker with the people, that I could not go to Ngara because I have a question here pending for the Cabinet Secretary for Health. Honorable Speaker, in fact, I have looked at the question that I was supposed to ask and the response that came from the ministry. There is specific documentation that he has said that I needed to supply. This is regarding the death of a young man who was a student at Kibera Secondary. Honorable Speaker, this is regarding compensation. So I came here purposely so that I can hand these documents to the CS. I hope he's the one walking in. I hope he's the one walking in. Yeah, so if he has arrived, then we need to proceed. But these games, Waziri, they must come to an end. Because just a minute. Honorable Speaker, please allow us to speak, Majority Leader. I am on the floor. Why are you heckling us? Why are you heckling us? This is not your house. Leader, this is not your house.
Majority
It is the house
Leader.
for all of us.
Majority
and the
Leader.
information that we have comes from the Speaker.
Majority
Cheruyoit,
Leader.
you can't heckle us all the time. Can
Majority
you throw him
Leader.
out? Honorable
Majority
Speaker.
Leader. Order. Order.
Order. No,
Order,
Honorable Speaker,
order.
this is unacceptable.
Order, Senator.
Even if I was asked to be nicer, I will not allow this provocation to continue.
You started heckling. Okay, then let's stop it at there. Let him finish and listen to him in silence.
Speaker,
yes, Senator Sifuna.
Honorable Speaker, how is it in order for somebody who's younger than me to call himself my elder? We in which society? And in this particular house, Honorable Speaker, there is nothing like seniority coming from how old you are. It is what is in your brain. It is what is in your head. So you can't come here heckling and telling us you are senior to us, Honorable Cheruyoit. You are just lucky that I have been directed to be nice. Otherwise, you would have seen the full wrath of Edwin Sifuna. Honorable Speaker, I want these demons who have been sent to tempt me to break the directive by my party leader to depart from me. Leave me alone. Honorable Speaker, therefore, now that I have seen the CS, I will take my seat because it was very critical. But as Senator Wambua has said, the communication to this house
He was on the floor of the house.
Yeah,
Can you
please
allow him to finish? Senator
can you throw
Cheruyoit.
this guy out? Is
Senator
Senator Cheruyoit above the law? Is Senator Cheruyoit above the law, Honorable Speaker?
Order, senators.
He can't heckle like this.
Order, senators.
He can't heckle like this.
Order, senators. Order. He's addressing his issue now. Can we allow him to finish? Let's listen to the senator in silence. Senator Sifuna, just conclude.
Honorable Speaker, it is very unfair. If it was Senator Sifuna behaving like this heckler from Kericho, I would have been thrown out by now. Can you apply the rules equally? No, apply the rules equally. Honorable Speaker, I wanted to say lastly, no, throw him out, Bwana. One is he above the law? He's not above the law. You are not above the law, Senator Cheruyoit. No.
Senator Sifuna.
Let me conclude.
Before you conclude, there's a point of order. Before you conclude, Senator Cheruyoit, what is your point of order?
How can somebody who is out of order be given a point of order? He is already out of order. How can he stand up unless the point of order is against himself?
Honorable senators. Senator Cheruyoit, take your seat.
I thought we have senators here.
Take your seat, Senator. Take order, senators. Order, senators. Senators, the CS is already here. We are going to go to and proceed to question time. And we will cease, we will not, Senator Cheruyoit, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat, Senator. Take your seat. 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 Senator Cheruyoit, I will find you grossly out of order. You started heckling. You were heckling against him. You did not behave orderly yourself, Senator Cheruyoit. You were not orderly. You started heckling and Senator Cheruyoit, you started heckling and I let you. I did not bring you to order. You will now, I will find you grossly out of order. All the time when Senator I was going to give you a point of order so that you can respond. But you were not behaving orderly. So I have to put a stop to this and we go to question times. That is it, Senators. We are starting with the questions.